I all. So this is U number 3, function of several variables. The course outcomes are to evaluate maxima and minima for a given function with several variables by finding the stationary points. So in these units the contents are, that is the topics are total derivatives, change of variables, then Taylor series, Lorentz series, then Lagrangian's method, then Jacobian. So these are content based on the U number 3. So first we shall discuss about the introductions of this topic. So what is partial differential equations, then how to find the derivatives here. So first we shall go through the partial differentiations definitions. So simply this one is we have to tell the difference between the partial and the ordinary differential equation is, so in ordinary differential equations, so we have only one dependent variables and one independent variables, that is ordinary differential equations. In partial means, that is PDE, partial differential equations, we have one dependent variables and more independent variables present in the given equations. So that is a partial differential equations. So one dependent and one or more independent variables, that is a simple concept of partial differential equations. So first we shall go through the definitions. If z equal to f of x comma y, this is a function, be a function, two variables x and y, and if we keep y as constant and vary x alone, then z is a function of x only. This is the first term with respect to x means. So next with respect to y means, treat as x as a constant, then differentiate with respect to y from given equations. That is notation is dou z by dou x or dou f by dou x, or sometimes we can write fx. These are notations. Okay. Then this is a note here, fx can be replaced by dou f by dou x, fy is dou f by dou y, f double x means these are second order equations, dou square f by dou x square, then fxy equal to dou square f divided by dou x dou y, then fyx equal to dou square f divided by dou y dou x, then f double y means dou square f by dou y square. Then note number 2 is dou square f divided by dou x dou y equal to dou square f divided by dou y dou x. These both are same. So these are following notations we can represent in this unit. Okay, f suffix x means, so dou f by dou x. Okay, fx, fy, f double x, fxy, and f double y, fyx. So these are basic notations we will discuss in the problem here. Okay, then so first we can go through the problem number 1. If u equal to x minus y into y minus z into z minus x, then show that dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z equal to 0. So this we have to prove that. So first we can write the given equations, u equal to x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. So here is important thing is, first we can find one by one. So first dou u by dou x. So first we can take with respect to x means. So here is which one is constant term. So y minus z is constant term. So I can take outside here. So y minus z is outside here. So these are with respect to x means y minus z is constant term. I can take an outside here. The remaining term is, so x minus y into z minus x. So first I can take x minus y. So I can kept as it is. This is a UV form. So x minus y we can kept as it is. Then differentiation of z is 0. Then differentiation of x is minus 1. Then plus. Next we can kept z minus x as it is. Then differentiation of x is 1. Then differentiation of y is 0 with respect to x means. Therefore we can simplify this one. We get, so minus into y minus z, then x minus y plus z minus x into y minus z. So this is the first equation. Next, dou u by dou y with respect to y means among this, which one is constant term with respect to y means, so z minus 6 is constant term, I can take outside, I can take an outside. Then the remaining term is you can take an uv form. So this one is u, this one is v. What is the formula for uv? So u dv plus v du, that is a formula. So first I can fix x minus y as it is, then differentiation of y minus z is we get 1, z is 0, plus next I can fix y minus z as it is, differentiation of x minus y with respect to y means we get minus 1. Next we can simplify this one, we get z minus x into x minus y, then minus z minus x into y minus z. Next we can take dou u by dou z. Which one is constant term? X minus y is constant term, I can take an outside. The remaining thing is y minus z into z minus x by using uv form. So first I can fix y minus z, then with respect to z means we get 1 here, plus z minus x we can fix as it is, then differentiation with respect to z means we get minus 1. Next we can simplify this one, we get x minus y into y minus z minus x minus y into z minus x. So adding these three equations we get dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z equal to, so just we can verify here, x minus y into z minus x. So x minus y into z minus x, so cancelling these two, then z minus of z minus x into y minus z, here is z minus x into y minus z, cancelling these two. Then third one is x minus y into y minus z, here is we have 1 minus, here is we have plus, again cancelling this value, so answer is 0. So this is the first problem, that is a basic problem and also important to one here. So next problem number 2, if u equal to x power y, then show that dou square u divided by dou x dou y equal to dou square y divided by dou y dou x. So this is a first important problem. So here is one subdivision is enough, don't take the second one. So u equal to x power y, so given u equal to x power y, then here is I can raising the power e power log. What is e power log? Cancelling e and log, we get x power y as it is. Therefore e power log of x power y, that is equal to, what is x power n? Log of x power n is n into log x. So that implies e power y log x. So first we can take with respect to y, dou u by dou y equal to, what is e power x? So we get e power x. With respect to y means, so we get y is 1, so we can write log x as it is. So therefore next we can find second derivative. So dou square u by dou x dou y equal to, so again with respect to x here, so x is this is a uv form. So first I can fix e power log x as it is, then differentiation of log x with respect to x means we get 1 by x, plus, so log x I can kept as it is, then differentiation of e power x is e power x with respect to x means, then y into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Therefore this can be written as cancelling e and log, this one is x power y, so x power y divided by x plus log x into, so raising the power here, so log x power y, cancelling log and e, so we get x power y divided by x into y. That implies this one is take the reciprocal, we get x power y minus 1 plus again x power y into y, this one is take the reciprocal, x power y minus 1, then y into log x. So here is we can take x power y minus 1 outside, therefore we get 1 plus y log x. This is equation number 1. So next to find RHS, dou square y by dou y dou x. So what is dou u by dou x? So we can keep as it is, e power x can be written as e power x with respect to x means y into 1 by x, that is equal to e power y log x into y by x. So again with respect to y here, therefore dou square u by dou y dou x equal to, with respect to y, here is x is over, with respect to y means this one is we can fix as it is, there is uv form. So e power x is, that is e power y is e power y, with respect to y means y is 1, then differentiation of log x is 1 by x, plus I can fix y by x as it is, then differentiation of e power x is again e power x, with respect to y means, so differentiation of y is 1, so we get log x here. Therefore here is cancelling log and e, then x power y, so x power y divided by x, plus here is cancelling e and log, so this one is x power y, so x power y divided by x into y log x. That implies take the reciprocal, so x power y minus 1 plus Again take the reciprocal, x power y minus 1 y log x. Here is we can take an out x power y minus 1, therefore remaining term is 1 plus y log x. So this is equation number 2. So comparing 1 and 2, so both equations must be equal, therefore dou square u by dou x dou y equal to dou square y by, that is u by dou y dou x. This is also u, not y here. So dou square u by dou y dou x. So this is a second problem. So this is a very important problem. So be careful here. If you have any doubt means we can ask here. So we continue the next sections.